Whiteboards are a great way to explain your ideas. Their diverse customizability is what makes them awesome. But traditional whiteboards are becoming common day by day. Sure, they're great when you're at a very tight budget, but why not try the latest whiteboard trend on the market? A Illustrations brings you custom whiteboard animations. In this gig, we aim to provide you with premium quality whiteboards, custom drawings, custom colorful slides, custom slide transitions, custom fonts, and much more, all licensed exclusively for your project. We can add a custom background to a whiteboard, a 3D object, a talking avatar.
Does that mean that there is a universe out there where I am smarter than you?
Or even a real-life video. Specials very less animators offer, all within a small budget range. A Illustrations guaranteed trust and quality videos exclusively on Fiverr. Order yours now.